Hi guys, we meet again in the new unboxing. English tattoo again. Okay, so I just get one of the gift from one of my sister. She very cute. She's just sitting beside me. Okay, and also she asked me to wear this Russian cat. She claimed this make me much more handsome. Okay, hopefully I'm look handsome. So today I'm going to, they're laughing at me at the moment. Okay, so I have get something from Victoria's Secret. Actually, I prefer to have a Beckham Secret. Okay, so it's okay. So we're going to unbox this. I get something inside over here. A lot of stuff over here. A pink stuff. Okay, we are going to unbox. Okay, you can come closer, a bit closer. It's glowing. It's glowing. You will see what's inside here. Okay, it should be the other way around. Okay, you get ready, guys? Are you ready, guys? Please say yes. Check the camera. Okay, good. So. Actually, before I really unbox this thing, I want to tell the story first. Actually, earlier my Instagram, I have told you will see that I have plenty of the toiletry stuff and all the toner, all this thing, this that thing. And one of the sister that noticed that I'm always carry a bit ugly bag. And show the bag. Don't fall down. Don't fall down. So this is the bag I bring earlier for all my toiletry stuff. Unfortunately, I just bring a part of it. I have a toner from Kiehl's, expensive one.
Wow, so big.
Big, okay. And Kiehl's. This is Kiehl's. And some cream. Black cream is my favorite. And this one. And I have this one. And I have this one. And I have those things, and those things. So one of the person that concerned about my toiletry, this is only a portion. So she bought me. Okay, this is the moment. This is the moment. Ta-da! Oh, it's from a Victoria's Secret bag. I do get a toiletry bag. Come closer a bit. Okay, as you can see, the bag is very compact and it is very cool, as you can see, and it is a waterproof. Okay, so let's unbox this thing. Okay, have this, and as you can see, ta-da! The box, it is very easy, it's very and travel friendly, a portable, easier, and a very compact one. As you can see, the compartment I'm going to unblock. So those are the papers. So I have unblocked those things, and those are the compartment, a quite big compartment, so I can put all my stuff inside. I will arrange it a bit later. So I'm done with this portion, and the other one also the same. Ya Allah, nothing. Another compartment, coming out. It's very compact and ideal for me. Okay, thank you so much for the gift. I really appreciate. So that's all from me today. Really enjoy. So stay tuned for other unboxing Victoria's Secret for today. Bye.